Please introduce yourself, sir.
Wait, 1 minute.
My name is Prince Joshua Nanakalo. My name is Prince Joshua Nanakalo. I'm the Secretary General of Igbo of Lagos State.
Okay, we had a rumor about the issue of finance, that your PG controls the finance alone with his deputy. Could that be correct?
No, it is not correct.
So can you put it in the right perspective?
Yes. What happened is this. Before the inauguration, on 14th of September, we set a committee. The committee are the ones that handle the finances. Then the only thing is that the committee have not given us report of the inauguration as a date. But since this year, my office, the financial secretary, and the treasurer are the ones handling finances.
Which one is your office?
I'm the Secretary General.
Good.
Because I take records, the financial secretary take records, and the treasurer take records. All the money goes to the treasurer's account with reason. Because since we merged together, we have not formalized the account we have been using before.
So you are saying that the PD don't have anything
to do with
their finance?
It doesn't have anything to do with finances.
So where do you think this allegation is coming from?
It can be from the rumor mill.
Okay.
It can be from the rumor mill.
Okay.
Those that don't have job to do. Because if you are occupied, you have jobs to do, there are things you don't look into. Or if you don't understand what's happening, you can ask questions. Things like this. How has it gone? Like now we're raising funds. The funds we are raising, we have had 3 wake keeps within 1 week. And we spent money. As at yesterday's meeting, I gave a brief. Anybody that comes to yesterday's meeting heard me clearly. I stated the amounts we have spent on the 3 wake keeps.
So there's always accounts for everything.
There's always an account for any money that comes to the association.
So your account is open to
Anybody that wants to see is free.
Now, but you're saying it could be, the information may have spilled from the rumor mill.
Yes.
But allegation, based on the report so far, it's like your BOT chairman is equally having the same feeling, based on the report we read on the media.
Well, our BOT chairman is not even around.
We know. He doesn't need to be around to make some public statements.
He doesn't keep records. We are the record keepers. We are in the position, like me.
I'm talking about Dr. Jonathan
Listen,
Naji.
I'm the administrative head. I run the secretariat. Anything wants to know about finance, consult my office. I will give you a lowdown of every money that comes in and every money that goes out. My president doesn't touch money.
So that means even your BOT chairman, Dr. Naji, and others are wrong if this is what they believe.
If that's what they believe, that's their own personal belief, but it's not the way it is. That's the simple truth.
Well, your name once again, sir.
My name is Prince Joshua Nanakalo.
Thank you.
Nana.
Carlo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.